During the budget session held on the 21st of February 2024, Nongthymmai's MLA Charles Pyngope questioned whether the MDA government was considering offering voluntary retirement scheme or VRS to its employees. In response, Commerce and Industry Minister Sniawbhalang Dhar mentioned that plans were currently being developed. The leader of the Opposition and Congress MLA from Mylliem, Ronnie V Lyngdoh, also appealed to the state government to expedite decision-making regarding the MCCL due to the ongoing hardships faced by its employees. Additionally, Commerce and Industry Minister Sniawbhalang Dhar stated that partial payments had been issued to employees based on available funds. It is, however, noteworthy that the MCCL, which has been non-operational since the year 2020, currently has approximately 278 employees in its service.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to star question 57. A. Sir, the matter is to close down the Mamlo Chera Cement Limited plant at Sora is under examination by the government. B. Sir, the total number is 278.
Sir, in the event of a government corporation being not able to survive on its own and the decision of the government to close down, has the government resorted to any scheme to ensure that the 278 employees still engaged will benefit after the corporation is closed by way of what we call the voluntary retirement system or a golden handshake? Has this aspect been taken into consideration, which is normally the case when a corporation is shut down for purposes that it can't be run anymore? So has this concept been considered by the government to make sure that the employees at least get a fair share of their remuneration so that they can seek employment elsewhere in the interim?
Mr. Speaker, sir, point is noted. That's why now the modality is working out. If the plan is shut down, all that will be. That's why even in my main replies, I already replied that it is under examinations. And suppose if it went towards close down, so modalities should work out, Mr. Speaker, sir. That's why only we reply even during from Nongthymmai question. So make sure that from the government side, nobody should be affected. We'll try to work accordingly, and everybody should be on board.
Sir. So are the employees presently employed being paid or not? The 278 employees?
Mr. Speaker, it's not fully paid, but partly payment is given as per the availability of fund. Partly payment has been, right from 2020, partly payment has been done as per the availability of fund.
But sir, when it's partly payment, since it's been 2-3 years now, don't you think those families are going through a very difficult time, hardship? So can the Minister, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, look into this until you take a decision? If you know you continue with part payment, how will those families survive? So until you take a decision, perhaps you can even consider another golden handshake so that the families can survive. So it's been 2-3 years now. I think the families are going through very, very difficult hardships.
Mr. Speaker, sir, within very short time, we will take a final decision, Mr. Speaker, sir. We will take.